Civil engineering megaprojects have become defining symbols of our era. From colossal bridges stretching across the sea to vast highways that connect bustling cities, these projects showcase human ambition at its peak. Yet behind the grandeur lies an unseen reality. Challenges so massive that they push the boundaries of engineering, management, and collaboration. National and transnational megaprojects demand precision in manpower, unshakable quality standards, strict adherence to deadlines, and ironclad data security. Failing in any of these areas can trigger delays, cost overruns, or even full-scale crises. What do you think is the most difficult challenge in megaprojects? Talent, quality, timelines, or data security? Share your thoughts in the comments. One of the greatest challenges is the talent gap. Megaprojects require thousands of hours of specialized engineering expertise, but the race to recruit and retain skilled engineers is growing increasingly fierce. Companies often invest heavily in hiring and training, only to face resignations that drain both experience and resources. This is why alternative approaches to human resource development are gaining attention. For example, AXA Engineers applies the philosophy of high performance and happiness, creating a positive and cohesive work environment that has led to an exceptionally high retention rate. For clients, this translates into stability and consistency throughout every stage of a project. Another pressing challenge is quality management in highly complex projects. A single error in a drawing can result in millions of dollars in losses and cause extensive delays across interconnected work packages. Any gap in the review process can quickly escalate into a serious blind spot with heavy consequences. To mitigate this, traditional quality assurance methods are increasingly integrated with digital solutions such as Civil 3D or clash detection software. These tools help predict and resolve conflicts before they reach the construction phase. Alongside this, the Kaizen mindset ensures that every project becomes an opportunity to learn, refine, and raise the quality benchmark. This systematic and continuously improving approach has earned AXA Engineers recognition by Autodesk as a global success story, evidence of technological capability and the ability to meet the industry's most demanding standards. Project timelines add another constant layer of pressure. Large-scale infrastructure rarely allows for delays, while workloads fluctuate dramatically. During peak periods, teams face overwhelming demands, whereas downtime brings the burden of underutilized costs. The key lies in flexible models that can quickly scale resources and leverage time zone differences to accelerate output. AXA Engineers exemplifies this by deploying over 80 engineers working in 2 shifts, turning time differences into an advantage. A request sent at the end of the workday in the United States is often processed overnight and delivered by the next morning. This approach not only optimizes resources but also minimizes idle capacity, stabilizes project pace, and ensures seamless progression from design to approval and execution. Another critical concern in megaprojects is information security. Designs, models, and concepts are intellectual assets of immense value. Any leak can cause severe financial damage and erode reputational trust, even undermining competitiveness in international bidding. At the scale of megaprojects, a single breach can cascade into a crisis affecting multiple stakeholders. To address this, multi-layered security systems have become essential, combining legal frameworks, advanced encryption, access control, and cultural integrity. AXA Engineers has established a comprehensive security fortress that includes NDAs, robust encryption, and leak prevention systems, and a culture of ethical responsibility. These safeguards provide partners with full confidence that their intellectual property remains protected at all times. Behind all these challenges lies a larger narrative. Megaprojects are not only feats of engineering, but also tests of collaboration, vision, and the human capacity to push beyond limits. They embody resilience, determination, and the shared will to accomplish what once seemed impossible. Every completed megaproject leaves more than just an infrastructure. It leaves behind a legacy of knowledge, innovation, and inspiration for generations to come. The challenges of megaprojects will never disappear. Yet with fresh approaches, trust in human potential, and the commitment of organizations with long-term vision, these very challenges can be transformed into opportunities. when engineers grow within sustainable environments, and when a culture of connection is embedded into every process, projects are not only secured for success, they also create lasting benefits for society as a whole. What lessons do you think future megaprojects should take from today's challenges? Share your thoughts in the comments, and let's keep the conversation going. Your perspective could inspire the next generation of civil engineers.